Sisters is very important to me. This organization, I think, is one of my second top organizations. This is Rolling Thunder, Chapter 3 out of Albany. And what we do is honor our vets, and we keep the fight going to bring home our MIAs and POWs. We keep that fight going. So we are today, since it's my day, I keep getting told, I wanted to do something for our veterans. So one of the things that we do is Rolling Thunder. As a family, we salute our vets. And do you guys have your cards? Yeah. Each one, honey, they've got cards. Okay. So you'll have names and
You want me to go by and read these and then pass them out?
So what we do with Saluda Vets, we go around and we go to nursing homes and just hospitals and everywhere, anywhere we find veterans, and they each get a flag. So we do what we call Salute a Vet, and they get a framed picture with every one of us' signature on them. Just a small way for us to say thank you. So that's what I wanted to incorporate today, and my Rolling Thunder family, my brothers and sisters decided that they would be more than happy to do this for us.
I look around the room and surprisingly I am dressed up as well. Like Kathy said, we do the Salute of Vets. It's our way of giving back and thanking our veterans. Our main focus is the 82,000 plus that's unaccounted for since World War I, but we also like to honor our veterans anytime we have a chance. We won't delay your proceedings very long, but we do appreciate the opportunity to do so. Now that they've handed me all these, and I have no clue who these guys are.
That's fine, we can nod for you.
I do know a couple of them here. And ironically, it's going to be ladies first. It's up to you. You can get back to see it. It's up to you. April? No, thanks. And another one. April Rucan, United States Army. 2.5 years. William Rutan, where you at? I've seen him up there with Bill. United States Army, served 86 to 90. Warden Salesman, United States Army, 74 to 75. Kind of racked away, ain't it?
You're fine.
Is that Mark Bobbitt? Yep. All right. United States Air Force. 4 years service. Charles Coffey. Right on. United States Army. 66 to 68. Thank you, sir. Mark Long. United States Marine Corps. 13 years service. Right. Bart Long, United States Marine Corps, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Retired. David Atchison, United States Marine Corps, 63 to 66. And I'm going to tell you right now, with all these Marine Corps, the lady, my veterans outreach lady that usually does this, her husband is a Marine, and they get special treatment, but she ain't here today. Don Goupel, United States Army, 6 years. Thank you, sir. Don is one of them that I know in this room. I've got to ride with him on several occasions. It's an honor, sir. Thank you. Tom Jewell. Yep. United States Army, 86 to 89. Thank you, sir. Michael Kimbrell. Yep. United States Air Force, 22 years service. Thank you, sir. Mike Roach. Back there. United States Navy and Army National Guard, 21 years of service. Thank you, sir. Bruce Strasser. United States Army, 65, 67. Sam Brooks. United States Army, 3 years of service. Thank you, sir. Jared Gerard. Did I pronounce that right? Yeah. I knew it. United States Navy Seabees, 1966 to 70. Thank you, sir. Lou Aronson. United States Army, 62 to 65. Did I miss anybody? Those are all the cards that I had. Is there any other veterans in here before we wrap this up? But anyway, thank you all for your service. You are very much appreciated.
This is very dear to me that Kathy did this today. My dad was a two-time veteran. He belonged to the Wyoming National Guard. When he got out, he joined the Marines. But I have a name on my wrist that I wear every day. I have worn this name since I was a freshman in high school. His name is Lieutenant Colonel William J. Brashear, U.S. Air Force. He was lost in Laos May 8, 1969. I don't take this off, and I know some of you have asked me what it is and some of you have not, but that's what I wear every day. Thank you, gentlemen, very much for doing what you did today.
Absolutely. Well, in honor of that, what you've done for years, we'd like to give you one of these as well.
I didn't have to do that. Thank you very much.
Don't have to do anything.
Thank you, brothers, for doing this for me today.
Absolutely.
I figured this was a good way to get several from across the state that we normally wouldn't get. So
thank you all very much for your service. You all appreciate it.
Thank you all. Thank you.